After months of anxiety in the civil service, the biometric registration will get underway tomorrow in one of the measures dubbed Capacity Assessment and Rationalization Exercise in the public service. Through the exercise, the government hopes to restructure the public service and make it leaner and more effective. This was announced over a month ago by the Devolution Cabinet Secretary Anwar Igoro.
Rationalization exercise will involve carrying out capacity assessment, restructuring, undertaking human resource and skill audit, staff redeployment and transfers where necessary after capturing and analyzing biometric data.
The process that involves several stakeholders in the public service human resource has multiple objectives.
This exercise will move in tandem because all we are all interested in is the service delivery and paying the worth of every of those positions that are deployed towards serving the public.
A letter from the Devolution Cabinet Secretary dated 29th of August this year stated in part, and I quote, "The biometric registration seeks to contribute significantly to the rationalization of the public service by determining the actual numbers of public servants and will also be used to cleanse the payroll at both levels of government, hence bring to a stop the issue of ghost workers." According to Kenya Civil Servants Union, the exercise is welcome.
Majority of public servants have added some skills by going back for training, but when they come back on service, they don't benefit out of those skills. And I hope at the end of the exercise, such skills will now be displayed and we'll have a right as a union to demand for our members to benefit out of them.
The letter goes on to state that at the end of the exercise, persons who will not have been authenticated and their whereabouts not accounted for in terms of authorized leave or absence due to travel and other reasons will be deemed to be ghost workers. Some public servants are concerned that the rationalization process seeks to retrench them or put them out of work. What is your take on that?
So long as we are still there as a union and participating, we'll ensure there are safeguards and no one will be victimized as a result of distribution of staff, whether at the county or national level. We'll ensure that fairness is done.
The exercise, which will start in Nairobi and then spread to the other counties, is expected to end by October this year. President Uhuru Kenyatta will avail himself at his offices for the registration. The same will apply to Deputy President William Ruto and Nairobi Governor Evans Kidero. Each public servant is expected to produce the following: an original ID card, duly completed biometric data form, original academic and professional certificates, letter of first appointment, letter to the current substantive post, current payslip and birth certificate. The public wage bill currently stands at 541 billion Kenya shillings, that is more than 43% of the national budget. Alex Kubasu for Sunday Live.